Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites: admin rights, internet or local source, and the ODT downloaded. Create a minimal configuration XML specifying product ID, language, and channel so the tool knows what to pull. Once done, open an elevated command prompt and change to the ODT folder. This is essential because setup. exe reads the XML in the current directory. Run setup. exe/download config XML to fetch files now. This separates procurement from installation and avoids interrupted installs later. You now control the download and install stages independently. Run setup. exe with the download, switch to create a local source. Edit source path and version in the XML when you need a specific build. Doing so ensures consistency across machines. Once the files are cached, validate the folder contents and move them to a network share or keep locally for imaging. Make sure to test a single machine with setup. exe/configure config XML to confirm behavior before broad deployment. You finish by running setup. exe/configure with the finalized XML to install Office from the cache source. This reduces bandwidth and improves predictability. Make sure your XML includes remove MSI or property elements if you need to manage legacy MSI apps or disable telemetry. If something fails, check the setup and Office C2R logs in the %temp% folder, validate XML syntax, and confirm source path accessibility. A quick retry after fixing permissions usually resolves common failures. Reapply and monitor the install progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.